This is a 97 Suburban, 6.5 diesel. I suspect my oil pressure switch went bad. I turn on the ignition and I can't hear my lift pump anymore. And so I went over here to the fuel filter assembly. There's 2 bolts there you got to take off, and then you can get down into where the oil pressure switch is, which is right down there. You pull this connector off right here, and I'm going to show you how to jumper that oil pressure switch to see if your lift pump runs. Got to get on the 2 pins opposite of one another, not the middle pin. So you can hear that lift pump running. So you can safely assume that it's probably your oil pressure switch that's not letting that 12 volts get to the pump. That's an AC Delco part number Delta 1808A, about $25.